off his phone. Now is not the time for talking or texting. Oh, well, now look at that. There's a true movie watching friend.
Kinsey.
That's simple. All right, so if you have your assignment finished on time, you need to have assignments finished on time. I can't stress that enough.
Do you allow your students to text in class?
Not willingly,
And why not?
because it distracts from the learning process.
Do you allow your students to text in class?
No, I do not allow them to text. I do try my best to reinforce the policy.
And why do you not allow them to text in class?
I do not allow them to text in class. Obviously, number one, it's the school policy, but number two, so they could focus on the lesson.
Okay. Do you allow students to text in class?
Not officially. I prefer they don't. It happens.
Why not?
Well, let's see. They text each other during tests, so I've caught them doing that, being dishonest in regards to taking tests. I've had two kids text each other across the room, which led to a fight in another class. So I think it's too distracting. They're focused more on their phones and less on their education, and their grades suffer from it.